Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I'm trying to capture, but it's really hard because it doesn't fit. Okay. So I started from here. And remember, I flipped it. It did not work. So I continued crocheting this part here. And remember, I said I was going to do fillets. And I noticed I do not have enough space. Space by all means. See, I was trying to put this right here so it would match. And then what ended up is this is too small to make it here. It's just overwhelming. So I gave up. Yeah, it looks like from the vintage pictures, I've been searching everywhere. Is there another alternative that I can create something, but it's not working? So here it is. This is the way I am going to finish it. So I'm just going to continue making panels like this. Well, they're not panels, but you know what I mean, right? So I'm just going to pull this all the way here at the beginning. Yeah. And I don't think I have enough yarn. That's another thing. Yeah. Okay, I already used... The color is very close, so it's really hard to see the color difference. Like this one and that one are different colors. Those are from Crochet, and here is from Crochet, and I continued crocheting with this yarn that I had 3 packages. I used up 2. Yeah, I used up 2 already, and I only have this left, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. And this is not even a bedspread, it's like half. See? And it goes all the way here. And you need more yarn to make a bedspread. If you're planning to make a bedspread, already I used up total of 5 kilograms. Okay, and there's 500 gram here. So 5.5, think about it. And I'm not even finished this one side. I'm right here. Sorry about the video. I'm all over the place. I thought I could put it on my stool here, but no. I had to pull it higher. Oh, the camera for you guys to see. So I still have this to finish right here. Okay. And I'm a half, so 2.5. I don't think this is going to be enough 500 gram to finish the rest of the 3 sides. So I don't know. Maybe what I'll do is I'll make 2 sides. Yeah. So I'll make 2 sides. Well, that's the thing. Yeah. That's the thing. I don't have enough yarn. And I went to Michael's. Okay, this is way thicker. This is a 4-weight. This is the Bernat Handicrafter cotton yarn. And this is the old soft gray. Because I looked at the other grays and there are more, like the color lot is different. You know what I mean? The color is different. Yeah. So, but this is close enough for this. I don't know. I don't want to use it. But if I have to, I have to. So what I am going to do is, yeah, this is the only thing that comes to my mind. I'm going to make 2 sides. I'm going to use up all the yarn. Let's say it that way. I'm going to use up all the yarn. So what I'll do is I'll make 2 sides, this edging. But if you have yarn, by all means, just continue making it all the way around. And when you come to the corner, you need to fold it up. Let me just show it to you. Yeah, let me just show it to you. I'm going to put this on my stool. And so this is going to be the last. last video, I think. I don't know. What do you think? Should I continue? Okay, this is not even high enough. Okay. And I cannot pause this video. I grabbed the wrong camera. Yeah, I grabbed the wrong camera. Yeah, definitely if you have lots of yarn in your same color, though. Let me see if I can go this way. I don't understand. Just wanted to show you because I can't show it while I'm crocheting. Okay, again, this yarn I was going to show you on the previous, and I accidentally stopped the video. So this is the yarn that I bought, and I'm going to. This is a very good quality yarn. I just couldn't believe it. It's a dream to work with. It doesn't split. Even I'm crocheting with two of this. Like, it's just double crochets, just slides easily. Yeah, it's this yarn. I'm gonna watch for hubby and then see. I need to buy, I don't know, 10 kilograms. Well, the shipping is free, right? That's another thing. So I will use that to figure out. But this yarn is gorgeous, just gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Let's say you're doing it 4 corners, right? And you're making a bedspread. Okay. So what you need to do is, this is the corner of the motif. You need the whole thing though. Because when you're, let's say you're right here, sorry, you're right here, and then you're at the corner, okay? So you need to use up this fabric. To do that, what you do is, if you know a little bit sewing, you would understand me. See, you need to do it this way. Make this part this way. So you can make a corner, okay? This is the best way to explain it. And you need to sew it up to the edge. And this will become a corner. Or like me, because I don't have enough yarn, you can do 2 sides. Why not? Yeah, just do 2 sides and then finish it up. I just wanted to come and show you that my plan did not work. And I've been searching everywhere, trying to find pictures of this design. They're different designs, but it's similar to this design. How they did the edging. They didn't even do it this way. Because, of course, it uses up lots of yarn, right? They used my first technique, the spiral that I showed you, how to do the edging. They use that technique instead of this technique and this border method. So they finished it up. So you can go back to do that. But I just wanted to, use up the yarn and then have it one of a kind. I don't know if I'm going to post this on my Etsy shop. I will try and I will explain. There's 2 different colors of yarn. It's really hard to see. But yeah. But when you lay it down, it's just fantastic, and I just wanted to share it. Okay, so I'm going to end this tutorial. I can't, is this 18 or 19 part? Yeah, the border is endless. You can make it however you desire. It doesn't have to be the way that I showed you. If you have better methods, you can try it. Why not? By all means, why not? Like, we're all human beings. I'm not perfect. And yeah, but this yarn, I just can't say enough of it. Like I said, I used 4 kilograms from Göçer İplik I bought from Turkey. And I did tag her. You're welcome to go and check my Instagram page. It is Angora_Bolera. And I just posted a short video, short, me doing a crochet, working on this piece. And yeah, so you are welcome to check it if you want to buy yarns from her. Yeah, her prices are very decent, and the shipping is, they ship it with, I can't remember, was it regular post? Was it FedEx? Yeah, it's been 2 years I haven't been buying yarn, so that's a bulk yarns. Okay. You can see, so that's just fantastic. Let me just throw that away. But it just looks fantastic. It is heavy. I want to point out it is heavy because of the popcorn stitches. But the end result, think about it. It's just fantastic. Yeah. Let me see if I can pull myself back. Try to take it. See, that yarn does not match this color, but that's the closest I can find. Because the new lots are way different colors of the soft gray. Yeah. Well, I just wanted to share this. I hope you like this information. And yeah, this is how it looks out so far. It's just beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. I'm getting excited about it. So I'm just going to finish this side. I just have a little bit left. And then what I'll do is I'll do the other side. And I'm hoping that I have enough yarn for, yeah, for here I don't, because I used one. So I used 200 gram for here. Half I used 2 balls, half I used 2 balls, so 50-50. It's 50-50, 100 here, 100, 200. So think about it. 200, 400. I'm not going to have enough yarn. Yeah. Yeah, that's the other thing. Yep. Sad, but it's true. Well, you guys take care, and I will see you on my next videos. I don't know what I'm going to be making. I'm really tired. I'm just trying to finish this, but I don't have enough yarn. You know how frustrated it gets when you don't have enough yarn and that color does not match. I'm looking at it. No. See, it's totally different than this. Yeah, when you look at it. Oops, sorry about that. Here it is. It's not the same. Oh, well, what can you do? You guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye. Show it to you one more time. Let me try to back up. Yeah. It's just beautiful.